Hey y'all, it's Miss Chambers here today. Today we're going to talk about word form. Before we begin, I need you to do a couple things for me. One, I need you to make sure you have your notebook and something to write with. Make sure you have your notes for word form in front of you. Make sure you're able to get into a place where you can quietly work without being disturbed. Remember, you can always pause, Miss Chambers, and to get down your information correctly. So today's word form essential question is, how do I write and say numbers in a multi-digit number in word form? What is word form? Word form is writing numbers in words. It's very easy. You have a spelling word bank. In your spelling word bank, you have the numbers from 1 to 20 written out in words. Then you have from 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 to 100 written in the third column. And then you have thousand and million. Now there are more words for numbers. However, in fourth grade, you only need to know to the millions place. So that's why it's stopped. So how do I write numbers in words? You're going to use the number word bank in the place value chart that we've seen before. So in the example of 345, I wrote the number in digits with an equal sign, and then I put the number words after it, 345. And you'll notice that there is a hyphen between the 45. Below that, I wrote it in expanded form, and you're going to learn more about expanded form in the next video. You need to remember there are two steps. Step 1, you have to look at the first number and decide what place value does it hold. Another way I heard about this is think of place value as last names. I'll talk more about that in the next slide. Step 2, write the number in chunks if it's a larger number. So, a friend of Miss Chambers is the one who actually taught me this, and I've never really thought about it that way. But if you look at the place value chart and you look at where it says 700 thousands, well, if you think of 100 thousands as a person's last name, you'll know that it's going to be 743,000. But it just depends on what number you're looking at. Because on the actual place value chart, it's really 9,743,215 and 86 hundredths. If you notice below in the word form, it says 1,243. Again, you see that hyphen. Now, how would you write 689,209? How would that be written? Well, if you notice in the slide, Miss Chambers color-coded it. 689,000 is in yellow. And this is because this goes with step 2, and the second chunk is 209, which I put in green. Now you're going to try it. So we're going to start really simple. And if you look on your guided notes, you'll see that Miss Chambers has exactly the same problems on your guided notes, but some information is missing. So we have 85. How do I write 85? I write 80-5, and then I put in parentheses 80 plus 5, parentheses. Now, I did this to show you what 85 looks in standard form, which is the numbers, and then 85 is in words, and then what's in parentheses is the expanded form. And again, you're going to learn more about that in the next video. The next sample we have is 357. This is a 3-digit number. That means it's in the hundreds. So 357. Now, you also have 7,890. So again, 7,890 is written in words, and it's also written in expanded form in parentheses below it. Now it's your turn. You're going to be writing in word form using these 3 numbers. They're written in standard form. I need you to do word form. If you want to use your word bank, I strongly encourage you to do that. Also, look at your place value chart to help you make this. I do have a challenge that will be worth maybe a homework pass or something, or a piece of candy. Who knows? Just depends on what my mood is the day that we watch this. You got this. You're going to make me proud. And this is Miss Chambers, and I'll see you tomorrow. Make sure you're ready for your quiz. Bye.